Hi, I'm Melrena, and this episode is on ghostwriting. So, just a word of warning, like anything else, you get what you pay for, and a true ghostwriter that's really good is going to be beaucoup dollars. So, I didn't have that option. So, I did attempt to use a company called Vox, and let's just say it was not a good experience. The writing was atrocious. Skip the writing. Let's pretend that that's subjective. And even if it was spectacular, um, at the end, they didn't give me my final files. Um, I just can't emphasize enough. Be very wary if you're going to look into ghostwriters. It's a good thing, but honestly, at the end of the day, I just set my mind to it and I did it myself. And if you don't have the time and you do have the budget, great, go for it. Just be really, really careful. I did use them for the final draft for the copy edit, and then they did create a cover for me, which I did like. Give them credit on that. I ended up using a different cover. Thank goodness, because they wouldn't give me the file because they were holding it hostage at the end, trying to sell me $5,000 worth of nonsense to publish a hard book on Amazon or hardcover on Amazon. It was ridiculous. So, ghostwriting, you can, it's an option. If you've got a budget, go for it. If that's what you really want to do. I just took the bull by the horns and thankfully it worked. And it took me 4 months to do it, but I did it. So, I don't know. Just be really careful if you're going to do ghostwriting.